Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on iPad. Apple Pay on your iPad is incredibly convenient for online shopping, allowing you to pay within apps and on websites using Safari. To set it up, go to your iPad settings, select Wallet and Apple Pay, and tap Add Card. You can then add a debit or credit card by scanning it or entering the details manually, and your bank will quickly verify the information. Once your card is added, using Apple Pay for online purchases is incredibly simple. When checking out in an app or on a website using Safari, simply tap the Apple Pay button. Your billing and shipping information will populate automatically. Then, authorize the payment using your iPad's method, such as a 6-digit passcode, or by double-pressing the top button and authenticating with Face ID. It's a quick, two-step process to complete your transaction securely. Managing your cards is straightforward. In Wallet and Apple Pay settings, you can view all your stored cards. If you need to remove a card, simply tap on it and select Remove Card. You can also set a default card for future transactions by dragging it to the primary position. This menu also allows you to see recent transactions for each card, providing a clear overview of your spending. Your information is always kept private. To ensure the smoothest experience, always keep your iPad software up to date. Remember, Apple Pay on an iPad is primarily for digital purchases. It cannot be used for in-person transactions at a terminal, as it lacks the necessary hardware. If you encounter any issues, like a failed payment, verify your internet connection, confirm your card details, or reach out to your bank or Apple support for immediate help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.